Hey drivers, it's Barry with Christenson Transportation. I want to talk to you a little bit today about maintenance for our maintenance toolbox section. Big thing I wanted to talk about today, tires. Cost of tires, expense of tires, taking care of tires. Tires cause about 35 to 50% of all road breakdowns. Tires cause about 6% of all accidents, and tires cost about 3 to 5 cents a mile. So probably your number one expense, our number one expense, and probably one of the expenses we have that's the most controllable expense that we get. Just takes checking, takes looking, observing, a little bit of time. I used to have drivers that would tell me, they'd call me from, New Mexico, middle of nowhere, 105 degrees, blowout on the tire. And I'd get a picture of the tire, and it's bald. And I'd say, you picked it up in California. Well, did you do a pre-trip? Did you check it out? Did you call us? Yeah, I saw it, but I didn't have time. Oh, I didn't have time because I'm going to drive 2,400 miles and drop it in Nashville, Tennessee, and I'm going to cross the desert on a bald tire with 40,000 pounds, and it's going to be 120, 140, 200 degrees on the road. Who knows what it is? But you got time to break down and wait on a 100-mile road call each way and pay a whole lot of money. And the tire needed to be replaced when you picked it up. So do yourselves a favor. If you're not going to do us a favor, do yourselves a favor. Inspect the tires when you pick them up. Look for uneven wear. Look for low tread depth. Look for cords sticking out. Look for uneven tires. A tire on the inside or outside that's a whole lot newer or older than the one next to it is going to take a big beating, and it's not going to last long at all, and then you're going to have two tires to worry about. So do yourselves a favor. Do everybody a favor. Keep an eye on this stuff. At both yards, we have people that come out every day. We've got some really good vendors that have taken care of us for a long time. They're going to come by, they're going to look at our equipment, they're going to look at tires, they're going to match them up so they're the same tread depth, same height, etc., same wear. We've got PSI inflation systems on these trailers, so we get them from the factory, we set them at 100 and 105 pounds, and unless we have an issue and we shut that system off or somebody's gone in there for whatever reason, I find it hard to believe that they do because they don't have time to check the tire and a visual inspection. They're probably not going to get up under the trailer and adjust the air pressure. So anyway, they should take care of themselves as long as we look at them. We're happy to replace tires. We like to use the casings for future tires. We've got some good recapping processes in both locations. And we get a better deal, and we're able to support local vendors. So save yourself time, save yourself headache, save yourself money, and do proper pre-trips, and let us know. We're always here to fix stuff as long as we know about it. So that's the maintenance tip for the day, so be safe.